Hi, everyone. This is Sherry from Powerful Heart Counseling and Coaching. I am actually in the process of adding business tools to my YouTube channel, and many people were asking for advice on how to make movies. And so this is just a very basic beginners, you have no idea how to do this movie for you to make your own movies. So I will be adding additional ones as you become more advanced. So in this one, basically, you're just going to download My Movie Maker. It's a free software to use. You don't have to pay for anything, which is great. So I want to get right into it. Basically, the first thing you're going to do is you want to add your photos. So what I use a website called pexels.com, and here you can see all these different pictures. You just type in here what category you want. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different pictures. Now, if you look here at the bottom, it says sponsored. These ones are not free. You have to pay for them. They're a nominal fee though, so you can get some really cool shots. And so there's that one. And then I also use Pixabay. This one has videos that I love to use. So on here you can see the sponsored ones are at the top. These ones cost money. However, you can still get really great shots here with the free ones. And so you have your short video clips. Pretty cool. I use this a lot. So you'll go ahead and go back to Movie Maker and add your photos. Just download them to your hard drive or whatever. And so here's my picture. And again, you can add as many as you want. You can add the videos. Um, if you want to use the same picture, what I do is I just right click, copy, and then just paste. And you can just keep pasting the same one if you want to use the same video clip or the same picture. So then what I do is I want to add music. I love to have background music. I do a lot of meditations. So I have meditation music in the background of my videos. So what I use is Free Music Archive. Here's the website. And what you can do is you can just go here and type in whatever you're looking for, and then scroll down and like pick whichever one you want. I like to listen to them first. So listen to it, see if it's something you like. If you like it, just click download and it'll download. If you look down here, download on your computer down in this block or wherever your downloads go. And then go back to your movie maker and click on add videos. Sorry, that's not it. Add music. So I've added my music and you can see it at the bottom right here. And it even tells you who it is and what it is and the duration of the music. So it's super cool. You can, if the duration of the music, so this one is 5 minutes. If you go over that 5 minutes, you can always extend the music, and I can show you that in a more advanced video. Like I said, this one is very basic. So now you're probably wondering, well, how do I get my voice on there? So if you look up here, you see record narration. You're just going to click on that, and this is you telling your story. Or in my case, I do guided visualizations, meditations. So I walk people through that process, and this is the feature that I use. So you just hit record, and you start talking and explaining your video and what it is or what you're doing. I'm kind of just doing this as a test. And then you hit stop whenever you're done. And it'll bring it down here, and you can rename it test one, rename it whatever you want. And now you can see you've added your voice. And if you want to hear it, you can just click play. And start talking and explaining your video. And then it basically, you can hear yourself. And if you don't like it, you can edit that. And we'll go into that again in another video. So that's really basically how you do it. with the features of the pictures and videos. Your music will play in the background, and then you'll have your voice here. We'll get into clipping, your video. This one doesn't look like it starts. So you can see it doesn't start until right there. So there's actually a more advanced video that I'll go into how to clip those out. However, I just wanted to give you a short synopsis of how this works. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask the questions in the bottom of the video, and then I will make another video around that, or I will answer your question. All right, thank you and have a great day.